Good morning to all of you. We have to discuss about the volume and surface area of solids. What do we discuss? Volume and surface area of solid. This is the chapter 15 of our book. You see that we have to discuss about the cube and cuboid. Anyone have any problem with cube and cuboid? After that we have to discuss about the cylinder. There are two types of the cylinder: solid cylinder and hollow cylinder. We have two types of the cylinder. First one is the solid cylinder and second one is the hollow cylinder. In previous lecture, we see that we have to generate the formula. We have to generate the formula for solid cylinder also and for hollow cylinder. Till here, anyone have any doubt? You see that we have to discuss about the volume of the solid cylinder. We have to discuss about the curved surface area of the solid cylinder. We have to discuss about the total surface area of the solid cylinder. Like same, we have to discuss about the volume of the hollow cylinder. We have to discuss about the curved surface area of the hollow cylinder, and we have to discuss about the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. In this topic, anyone have any doubt? Then today I have to ask some questions. Now, what is the curved surface area of solid cylinder?
2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. Okay, very good. Smith. But what is the volume of solid cylinder? Pi r square h. Very good. After that, we will discuss about the total surface area. Anirudh, what is the total surface area of the solid cylinder?
Sir, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r h square.
2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Very good. After that, Raunak, the volume of hollow cylinder?
Sir, pi r square h.
Pi r square h
minus pi r square h. Sir,
so what are the difference between pi r square h and minus pi r square h? Wait, what are the difference between pi? You have to see that pi r square h minus pi r square h. What are the difference between these two pi r square h?
Sir, we take a pi r at common and h minus r.
Raunak, this Apurva, what is the volume of hollow?
Pi capital R square h minus
Pi capital R square h
minus pi R square h.
R square. What are the difference between capital R and small r?
That capital R means that upper connected on board.
You can turn on the board if you want. What are the difference between capital R and small r?
This is cylinder. That this is a capital R, that radius, and this inner radius it is, that is small r.
Small r. It means we want to speak that suppose you have a hollow cylinder like that. Suppose you have a hollow cylinder like that. See that. Then center of the both cylinder are same. Center of the both cylinder are same. This is the capital R, and this is the small r. It means from center the total radius, it is the thickness of the material. Whenever you to include the thickness of the material, then this is the capital R. And whenever you remove the thickness of the material, this is the small r. It means outer radius is capital R and small radius is small r. Till here it is okay for everyone. It is okay for everyone.
Yes.
After that, we have to discuss about this is the volume of hollow cylinder. After that, we will discuss about the curved surface area. After we discuss curved surface area. Anirudh.
Listen. Sir, the formula is sir 2 pi capital R h plus 2 pi small r h.
2 pi capital R h. Here we speak about 2 pi capital R h plus 2 pi small r h. It is right?
Yes, it's right.
It is right. Okay. So what is the total surface area of hollow cylinder?
2 capital pi r h.
2 pi capital R h
2
plus 2 pi
small r.
small r. After that 2 bracket
pi.
No.
Yes.
pi
Capital R square minus pi small r square.
No, only 2 pi capital R square minus small r square.
We can
So you
say-
tell to me this we have to mention 2 in the external surface area we have to attach this one 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. You tell to me suppose this is our hollow cylinder. This is our hollow cylinder. So come you see that CSA means this area. CSA means this area. Anyone have it down? Okay. Why you added 2 pi capital R square minus small r? You see that in CSA we have to remove these two circles. In CSA we remove these two circles. But whenever you have to calculate the total surface area, we have to include these two surfaces. And this area of this circle will be pi capital R square minus, because this is the hollow disk you have to say that, or hollow ring you have to say that. Then area of this one pi capital R square minus small r square. Then total area we have 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Then we have to add it here 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Till here in previous lecture we have to discuss.
Yes.
Till here we have to complete in previous lectures. Anyone have any doubt?
No sir.
We have to generalize the TSA. Okay, and make another formula by this one. You see that our TSA given. Start writing your class copy. You see that our TSA total surface area of hollow cylinder is 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small r plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. This. See that 2 pi here, 2 pi here, and 2 pi also here. Then we have to common out 2 pi. You see that we have to common out 2 pi. Remains value capital RH plus small r plus R square minus. Anyone have any doubt till here?
No sir.
Okay, you see that 2 pi. In these two terms, we have h common or not?
Yes sir.
See that 2 pi. We have to common out small h. Remains value is the capital R plus small r plus apply. This is the algebraic identity or not?
Yes sir.
A square minus B square. Vinay Kumar.
Yes sir.
A square minus B square equals to what?
Sir, a square. No sir, a b.
Capital
Sir,
R.
0 level.
You. A square minus B square equals to what?
Sir,
Whenever online classes is running, you don't attend any online classes. Then how you to give the answers? And this is the formula for class 6 and 7. You can speak.
Sir, A plus B minus A.
Sir,
You.
A minus B, A plus B.
A minus B and A plus B. So you tell to me in this formula any condition is there. You have to discuss about the formula R square minus R square. R A square minus B square. You have to mention A minus B into A plus B. Is there any condition in this formula?
We will take R minus R.
Whenever you do this type of the formula, you see that whenever you mention this type, where A is not equals to
B.
Where A is not equals to
B.
Only we have to apply this formula when A is not equals to
B.
If A equals to B, then we will never apply this formula. See that the result is 0. Okay? Sit down. Apply the formula A square minus B square equals to A minus B into A plus B. This is A minus B into, it means capital R minus small r and capital R plus small r. Till here anyone have any doubt?
no sir, no sir.
Yeah. You see that in both term capital R plus R is present or not?
Yes, sir.
In both, here you see that here R plus R is also present, here R plus R is also present. This implies that you have to common out 2H capital R plus small r. Remains value is the H plus capital R minus small r. Anyone having it out?
No, sir.
You see that if you want, you can use this formula for also. If you want, the TSA of hollow cylinder is 2H capital R plus small r multiplied by H plus capital R minus small r. Or you have to mention this one, TSA equals to
2 pi h.
this is 2 pi. You will mention here 2 pi H capital R plus R into H plus capital R minus small r. And otherwise you want then 2 pi RS plus 2 pi small rs plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. Yes.
Sir, but as according to the book, sir, it is pi
Leave
capital
the
R
book.
square minus. Sir, we can write that also.
That one. Anyone, this will be either you want then I'll write this one, otherwise you have to write this one. But whenever you have to do the calculation, this one is easy. This one is the easy. Okay. So you see that only you have to multiply 2 into H into pi. These are the same value. Otherwise you have to multiply everyone. This calculation is the term. If you have to apply this one, this is easy for you. 2 pi H capital R plus small r into capital H plus R minus small r. See, this is the easy calculation. Now only to add and subtract. You do not multiply. And addition and subtraction is easier than division and multiplication. Anyone have any doubt? Now we have to start solving our exercise. If anyone have any doubt, then you have to clear your doubts. You have to ask the questions of this formula. You have to not got how to generate this formula, or why you have to use this formula, where you have to use this formula. Anyone have any doubt, then please you have to ask. After that, we start solving our exercise 15B. Now you have to start solving our exercise 15B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You see that question have to ask exercise 15B. The diameter of a cylinder is 28 centimeter given. Its height is 40 centimeter given. Find the curved surface area, total surface area, and volume of the cylinder. You see that what question have to tell. But we have to start solving exercise 15B. Question number 1. You see that we have a given cylinder. What is given? We have a given cylinder. This is our cylinder. Suppose this is our given cylinder. And question says that the diameter of the cylinder is 28 centimeter. Diameter means double of the
Radius.
this total given 28 centimeter. D equals to given 28 centimeter. This implies that you know the radius is a half of diameter. It means R equals to what? 14 centimeter. Till here anyone have any problem? After that, and height is 40 centimeter given. Value of H given 40 centimeter. See that? Question have asked that find the CSA. Question number 1 asked. Find the CSA. Find TSA, total surface area. CSA means curved surface area. TSA means total surface area and volume. Now we have to start solving our questions. Mention the solutions.
3 pi to 0 plus 1.
3 pi to 0.
You see that given. First we mention the given value. First we mention the given value. R equals to 14 centimeter. H equals to what given? 40 centimeter. Now therefore CSA the surface area is 2 pi RS. So you see that which type of the cylinder is. If only question have to discuss about one radius, it means there are no any internal and external radius. This means this is the solid cylinder. CSA of the solid cylinder is 2 pi RS. So to start putting the value 2. Value of pi we have to use 22 pi. Clear? Anyone have any problem? value of R 14 into 40. 7 2 जा 7 2 जा 14, 22 2 जा 44 2 जा 88 4 जा 352. 22 2 जा 42, 352. 352 and 1 0 here. This is the meter square. You see that how you calculate that? 22 2 ja 42, 22 2 ja 44, 44 2 ja 88 and 88 4 ja 352 and 1 0 you mention here. This is the centimeter square. This is the CSA. This is the CSA. Acha. After that we will speak about the TSA. What is the TSA? You know that formula for TSA 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. For same we have to calculate 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH is 3520 plus 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7. Value of r is 7 and 14. Keep silence here. So see that in starting you not discussing anything. You see that 3520 plus value of r we have to mention 14 into 14. This implies that 3520 plus 22 2 ja 44 44 2 ja 88 into 14 you have to calculate. 3520 plus 1231. Therefore total surface area equals to what? 4752 centimeter square. Anyone have any doubt? It is okay?
Yes, sir.
You see that we have to calculate the curved surface area. After that we calculate the total surface area. And total surface area is 2 pi small r h plus 2 pi r square. From
It will be 1 2 3 2.
1 2
3 2.
3 2 1 2 3 2. Thank you. And this will be you have to add 4752 centimeters square. You see that we have to calculate the curved surface area. It is 3520 centimeter square. Now we want to calculate the total surface area. And how much 2 pi small r h plus 2 pi r square. You see that we have to calculate the value of 2 pi small r h is 3520 plus you have to put the value and calculate this is 1232. 2 pi r square is what? 1232. And this will be equal to what? 4752 centimeter square. Anyone have any doubt in this question? Volume we will put after that. You are writing your class copy this one. I want to check everyone class copy tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
After that we have to discuss about the volume. We have to discuss about the volume. And volume of the cylinder pi r square and value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of r is 14 into 14 into 40. You see that 7 2 ja 40, 22 2 ja 44. 44 into 4. See that?
4928
Total
Sir, total will be 2464.
640 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Otherwise you see that 44 into 4. 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. It means 1760 multiplied by 14. This will be 24640 centimeter cube. This is the total volume. You see that how you calculate the curved surface area. If radius and height is given, then you have to apply the formula for curved surface area 2 pi small r h. After that you have to calculate the total surface area 2 pi small r h plus 2 pi r square. After that you have to calculate the volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Anyone have any problem till here? Question number 1 is completed. Now you have to solve question number 2. You see that question number 2 is given. A patient in a hospital given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. You see that. Suppose we have a cylindrical bowl whose base radius. You see that whose base radius diameter 7 centimeter given. It means base radius R equals to what? 7 by 2 centimeter. Till here anyone have any problem? And if the bowl is filled with the soup to a height 4 centimeter. Suppose this bowl is filled with the soup at the height 4 centimeter. H equals to 4 centimeter. Question I have asked that how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve for 250 patient. You see that for one patient you have to make one bowl. It means for 50%, 250 patient. You have to multiply for one patient. You have to calculate the volume. After that you have to multiply for the 250%. But it is liquid. You see that, but it is liquid. Then we have to convert in the meter. And you know that 1 meter cube equals to what? 1000 liter. Anyone have any problem? Okay. Question number 2. Write the solution. You see that given value of R equals to 7 by 2 centimeter, but we have to convert in the because we have to quantity required in the liter. 7.7 by 2 centimeter or 7 by 2 100 meter. Anyone have any doubt? If you want to calculate convert the centimeter in meter divided by 100, 2 into 100, 200. Value of H is 4 centimeter or 4 by 100 meter. Is here anyone have any problem? Volume of one bowl equals to what? This is the cylindrical shape. Pi r square h. 22 by 7 into 7 by 200 into 7 by into value of h is 4 by 7 and 7 cancel out. 4 divided 200. Otherwise in downward you have to divide 100. 4 divided 100. 1 upon 25. So means you see the remains value is 22 into 7 into 1 divided by 200 into 200 into 1 upon 25. This is for one test volume of one bowl. Therefore volume of such 250 bowl, we have to multiply by here 250. 25 10 250. 1 0 and 1 0. Till here anyone have any problem? This implies that volume of 250 bowl. 2 7 22 7 154 divided by 200 into 20 4000. This is the meter. This is the volume. Clear? Anyone have any problem? You know that 1 meter is equal to how much liter? If you want to convert in the liter, 1000. Then it will be multiplied by 1000 liter. See that? 10 10 10 10 10 10 10. 154 divided by 4 equals to what? 38.5 liter. It means question have to tell that total capacity of soup required for 250 patients 38.5 liter. Anyone have any problem in this question? You see that question says that you have a cylindrical bowl given. What is given? A cylindrical bowl given. The base radius is given 7. Total radius given 7. diameter given 7, therefore base radius is 7 by 2 centimeter and height given 4 centimeter. We have to convert this quantity in the meter. Then r equals to what? 7 by 2 centimeter we have to convert in the meter. Then 7 by 2 centimeter equals to what? 7 by 200 meter. H is 4 centimeter, r 4 by 100 meter. First we have to calculate the volume for one bowl. First we have to calculate the volume for one bowl. The volume for one bowl is what? Pi r square h, which is 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into h upon 100. We have to calculate it. After that, the volume of such 250 bowls. We have to multiply here 250 and we have to calculate it again. This will become in the meter cube. We want to convert in the liter. Then we have to multiply it by 1000 and we have to calculate this is 38.5 liter. Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Thank you everyone.